Dr. Huebner here, Natural Transplants. I'm here with our patient here, Roger, and you may remember Roger from his surgery day video. He's now here at day 11 to get his sutures out. And Roger, how's everything been? How much pain are you in?
I didn't feel pain. Only I took some medicine in the night to just make sure I can go to sleep very well.
Mm-hmm.
But I didn't feel pain.
Okay, so yeah, he just needed the pain medicine the first couple days, and then now he's off of pain medicine all completely, and his suture line looks amazing. If you come in here a little closer, Jerry, we can show you. He's just has the last little scabs on here, so these will all, you can already see they're flaking off. But each one of these things will come off, and it'll have smooth skin again. You can already see where his natural hair is growing through that, all the way back to the crown. You can see, I'm going to put your head up a little bit here, where his new hairline is going to be. So all of this staggered up and down is going to be his new hairline. This is all new hair. So obviously no growth yet, but we would expect growth in about 3 to 4 months on average, and then it thickens up monthly after that. So I'm going to turn him around here. First thing you can see is that really it's hard to see that anything's going on the way his hair is now. If you look here in the back, you can see we literally just took out his stitches. So this is all scabs, it's leftover scabs you can see here on the suture line, and literally you can see how they flake off. But it's even really hard to find where the suture line is. It's just kind of in between all these scabs, and the scabs are where the sutures went in on either side. But you can see that's not really going to be an issue for him at all. It goes all the way around. Let me go this side, so Roger. So that's, you know, that's going to be really tough to find. And this is literally just took out stitches 5 minutes ago. The suture line's right there. So I don't know if you can appreciate that, but the point is, it's never going to be an issue for him. He's going to be able to put his hair down as low as he wants. But he's going to have hair, so he probably is going to grow it out. So it's never going to be an issue for you. So anyway, thank you, Roger, and we'll be checking up on you. Thank you again for cleaning our building. He does a great job cleaning our building. And it's really nice because I can see him every week, really. So we're going to really kind of show you his progression, and then hopefully have some great results. I know he will. So thanks again, and happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Thanks.
Thank you.